Sit silently, look at here. Now I am going to tell you a revision for the test. Next week I will be taking the test for this chapter, unit number 1 and lesson poem. Both lesson and poem I am going to take you what test. So you should do these all perfect. Read these all and do the homework all 2 times in your home and be prepared for the test next Tuesday. So you should study hard in your home. Now I am going to tell you what first standard revision. That is question number 1. Match the words to make new words from list A to list B. From here A list there will be some words will be there. In the B list there will be other words. So we should join each from A list to B list and make the new words. But it will be have what meaning? Then bath plus tub, bathtub, it have meaning. So bathtub we have to join to tub. Second one is toothbrush, toothbrush. This will be another new one, toothbrush. Then third one is door plus bell, doorbell. Another word, doorbell is separate two words. By joining this, it will make another new word. Third one is door plus bell, doorbell. Next, ice plus cream. These are two words. I am joining these two. Another new word, that is ice cream. Ice plus cream, ice cream. Here we have to join like this. Then fifth one is foot plus path, footpath. Then footpath means while we are going on the road side, there will be footpath will be there aside on the road for people walking on that. That is called footpath. Ice cream you know that already ice cream you are eating. Doorbell you know. At the front of the door there will be one bell is there. One switch will be there, that is called doorbell. Then toothbrush, you know at the morning you can brush your teeth at when you get up early morning. Bathtub, bathtub means you are taking the bath in that tub. Water will be there contained in that, that is called bathtub. Then nail cutter, nail plus cutter. Nail cutter means cutting the nails, that what instrument, that is called nail cutter. So nail cutter means cutting the nail, that is one of the instrument. So we should cut the nail what? Weekly once. Then now you know, understood how to join these words and make the new word. You should understood this. Next I am going here, question number 2. Fill in the blanks by choosing right word from the brackets. Here fill in the blanks will be given 4 are there. In that front at the end of that sentence there will be option. 2 options will be there. There are 2 options. Then which is the correct word in that here they are given in the bracket. So choose this correct option. In that 2 we should take one correct answer and fill here. Now first one is Manoj return home sad. Sadly is correct answer here. Proudly, sadly will be there answers. In that sadly is correct answer. So we should fill here sadly. Manoj return home sadly because of what? Her friend not came to school. So he was sad. She is suffering from what? Sick. So she does not came to school. So Manoj was sad. Sad is the correct answer here. Then second one is our health is precious. Precious is here we going to fill here what? Precious. Valuable. Then here 2 options. Precious, costly. Here in that lesson precious will be there in that sentence. Our health is precious. It is suitable answer. So choose this precious and fill here. Make the sentence. Our health is precious. Then third one is healthy food does not include junk food. Healthy food does not include dash food. Which food it does not include? In that oily food will be there? No. Healthy food means fresh what? Vegetables and fruits. It contained all vitamins and fresh vegetables and fruits. That is called what? Healthy food. Here it does not include what? Junk food. It does not include pizza, burger. So that are junk foods. So we should fill here clean food, junk food. Here junk food is the correct answer. We have to fill here junk. Then fourth one, we get exercise from playing. Here correct answer is playing. I fill here, but here what you have to fill? You choose. Think and choose. So in your textbook, read the lesson and find out the answer. Which is the correct one here? When you going to read that lesson, then you can find out the correct answer. That is playing is correct answer here. In that eating and playing will be there. Here playing is correct answer. You have to fill. Here fourth one, we get exercise from playing. Playing gives us what? Exercise. Here playing with your friends. That is also one of the exercise. Here in this lesson, playing is one of the exercise. Playing is correct answer. Now you understood. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option and filling here in the blank place. Then 4 will be there. Now you understood which is the answer. Sadly, precious, junk, playing. These are the 4 answers you have to fill here. Once again, you should read and perfect in your home for the test. There will be test next Tuesday. So be prepared in your home. Now here question number 3 I am reading. Answer the following in a word. Only in one word you should answer these questions. Here first question is what? See here children. Yes, name the 3 things which are good for our health. Name the 3 things which are good for our health. Before class I told the lesson. What is the answer children? Yes, tell. First one is eating well. Then second one is what? Exercising. Doing the exercise. First one eating well. Then second one is exercising. Doing some or playing the games. Doing yoga, asanas we should do. That are second one exercising. Then third one is getting enough sleep. We have to take the rest at least 7 to 8 hours per day. So then we will be healthy. Third one is getting enough sleep. We have to take the enough sleep. Then that is also one of the what? Good thing for our health. These 3 are what? Good things for our health. So keep it in mind. Eating well, exercising, getting enough sleep. These are 3 things we have to keep our what? Health good. Then you should read these spellings in your home. By heart it these spellings. These 3 you have to. These 3 words you have to by heart and keep it in the mind. Then second one, what does healthy food include? Healthy food or a. Then what does healthy food include? Means in that fresh fruits will be there and vegetables will be there. Fresh fruits and vegetables. You already know these fruits. Which are the fruits and the vegetables. I already told you in before class. Detailed information I have given you before class. So you know already. You also know the fruits spelling and vegetable spelling. Here answer is healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. This is answer. Then third one question. Which is good form of exercise? Good game? All games are called what? Good form of exercise. While we go out from the house, we play with our friends. Playing is also one of the good exercise, good form of exercise. So we must play in a day. We must play. It gives us what? Health. So playing is one good form of the exercise. Third answer is playing. You should read and by heart this spelling. Now you got what are the answers for these three questions I told here. You should read in your home and perfect it. Now I am going here. Fourth question, that is circle the words that does not belong to the group. Which one not belong to that? One different word will be there in this group. First question. In this group, one different word will be there. Found out that and circle that. Which is the other thing here. Here I am telling you 4 words. Find and tell the answer, children. Here first one, pencil, pen, ball, paper. In that pen, pencil, paper will belongs to our classes. But what belongs to game, playing. That is playing thing, ball. So it is different. So we have to circle the ball here. Then second one is flower, nose, hand, leg. Here 4 words will be here. In that nose, hand, leg. What are these, children? Yes, these are the parts of the body. But here flower is another word. This is not a part of the body. It is different. So we have to circle this flower. Third one is carrot, potato, tomato, ice cream. Here 4 words will be there. What are these? Carrot, potato, tomato, children? These are vegetables. Then ice cream is eating thing. Then it is one of the what? Thing. Eating thing. Then carrot, potato, tomato are vegetables. So ice cream is different. So we have to circle to this ice cream. Third one is ice cream. Then next fourth one. Soap, paste, shampoo, spoon. So at the morning we will go to take a bath while we are using soap. In the morning when we get up early morning, we take the paste and put on the brush and we brush our teeth. After that we going to use the shampoo for taking the bath. These are the things while we are using at the bath time. So spoon, this is different thing. Spoon, it is used in the kitchen. So we have to circle this in the fourth one. Spoon is different word. Then fifth one, chess, ludo, carom, cricket. Here chess, ludo, carom, what are these? These are also game. Cricket is also game. But which game these are? These are what? Indoor games, which are played inside our house. These will be played inside our home. Then cricket will be played outside in the ground. We are playing. So cricket is different word here. We have to circle the cricket here. Fourth answer is cricket. Then now I finished the circle the correct answer. We have to perfect and do perfect in your home for the next what test. First test this will be. So perfect and ready to answer in the what next my class. Thank you, children.